In this video, I'm about to show you how to easily learn German in Memrise. First, open the Memrise app on your mobile device or go to the Memrise website on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started or Sign Up. You can create an account using your email address or sign in through Google or Facebook. Once you're logged in, you'll need to select the language you want to learn. Then scroll through the list and choose German. Next, Memrise will ask about your learning goals. This allows you to choose how much time you want to dedicate to learning each day. You can choose a short duration like 5 minutes or a longer session based on your availability. After setting your goals, Memrise will introduce you to some basic German lessons. You'll start by learning essential vocabulary, including greetings, numbers, and common phrases. Memrise uses flashcards, images, and audio to help you memorize words and improve your pronunciation. As you progress, you will learn more advanced topics, including grammar rules, sentence structures, and useful conversational phrases. The app also provides practice exercises to help reinforce your learning and improve your speaking and listening skills. If you want to unlock additional features such as offline access or extra exercises, you can subscribe to Memrise Pro. To make learning German easier, try to practice regularly. You can track your progress and adjust your learning goals anytime in the settings menu. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.